We're going to the farm. We're going to the farm. Hi, Piggy. You remember me?
Oh no.
He's pissing.
Wow, that's so much pee. Did you get French kissed by my daughter? October. October. The kids are a little cranky. Kid. Are you a monster? You're not a monster.
Hey.
Hey, Cedric, can I have some honey?
Oh no.
Why do babies happen? It's not chaotic enough, is it?
Hey, that gives me an idea.
No.
What?
Oh, good. That's so cool.
I love you. Look at my bear. I'm gonna eat the one. Guys, stop playing with my iPod. Okay.
Two boys and two girls. Giggle right now. This boy is so cuddly. There's four of you. How do you guys like your coffee? Is that good, Chris? Gideon, where are we going? We're going to the farm. We're going to the farm. Pumpkin spice is good.
Yeah, and it has pumpkins.
Is he sleeping?
Oh yeah.
It means
He's out.
where you remember? See, and
Pumpkin
Chris
spice
was
thing
rubbing
is really
his foot
good.
and it made him go to sleep.
Tabby,
The guy says,
wanna go to the farm?
to explode, and she says,
See any caterpillars? Oh really? Like last time when you're like, caterpillars! I'm like, where? It was crossing the street. And he had to turn around like 4 times to save its life.
I don't know.
We took a little snooze. Hi.
Come on, Tabby. Hi, puppy.
Bam.
where's the horses?
In the barn over there, remember? Where are we at, Lorelai?
At the farm market.
At the farm market?
Yeah.
What are we gonna see?
The horsey.
A horsey?
Yeah.
What else?
And a pig.
Are we gonna pick anything?
No.
No?
No.
What do you got? You're so happy. What do you have? Did you find rocks? Come on. You smell that? Look at the bunnies.
There's a fire there. Have to go. Oh, look at the bunny. Oh, aren't they so cute?
Come on, chew on your lips.
Come on.
Yummy, yummy. Let's just kick it back.
Oh, okay. You know what?
Gideon, what happened to your head? You got stuck in an inanimate world. Hi, Piggy. He come over. I called him and he came over. He was so sweet last year. He was my favorite. Hi, Piggy. You remember me? Aw, you're so sweet. I missed you. Listen to him. Oh, Chris is stealing my baby. That's alright, I found a pig. Hi, pig. Hi, piggy. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Look at your little nose. Look at your little pig nose.
We remember you last year.
Feel how hard his fur is.
Oh, wow.
It's like a brush.
Yeah.
Hey. My favorite. Look at his tail going like a dog. Oh. Come here, girls. Come look at the piggy. He's so sweet.
He's a big piggy.
Just now he was in that stall over there. I'm like, come here, piggy, come here. And he just came over.
Is he laying down?
And he's like,
I love them. Look at his toe.
Oh no.
He's pissing.
wow.
That's a lot of...
That's so much pee. Is it a girl? How can you tell it's a girl? Give us a little educational programming here.
The pig has a baby in her belly, but soon the baby pig is gonna grow.
Think it has a baby? I don't know. I think she's got a pot belly. Say, come back here.
Piggy, piggy.
Come back here.
It's like I hear my mom's voice. I'm coming to the block.
Come here, piggy. Come here, piggy. Come here, piggy. Come here. Come here, piggy. Oh. Hi. Hi. It's me. I like its nose. The pig likes me.
Uh-huh.
Like,
It comes up. She calls it.
see that?
Can we keep it?
No.
Can we take it home?
No.
It can sleep in my bed. Lorelai, get out of there. She's like, I'm gonna ride the horse. Aw, is the horse letting you pet it? That horsey is just your size, huh?
Can I ride on this?
Oh, you can't ride on them. Because they don't like people sitting on them, honey. Kind of like Daddy. Daddy doesn't always let you sit on him, huh? Look at the little goats. Hi.
Come on.
You want to go find some tomatoes and squashes?
Yeah.
Who's licking bunnies? She's licking bunnies?
Trying to. She got a tongue in there.
Oh my lord. Did you get French kissed by my daughter? Come on, guys. Let's use some of this. What's that?
Shall we go? So is that for your vegetables or the children?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to go play in the truck. I don't know.
Sprouts.
Isn't that weird how they grow? Brussels sprouts grow like something. They can be
Like
girly girls or
vegetable
boily
yeah.
girls. Hey, get your hands back in the cart. You're gonna get your fingers chopped off.
No.
What do you have, Lorelai? Oh, a little rock and a giant rock?
Yeah.
Should have worn my tennies. I kind of forgot.
Yeah, I should have reminded you.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna put the girls in Mary Jane's, but then I was like, oh yeah, mud.
Yeah. Oh, look at the mountain.
Isn't that pretty?
Surrounded by prettiness.
Oh.
Okay.
In case you couldn't hear, he said he's journeying through the wilderness of Mount Sinai. What'd you find?
It's because she like grabbed him by his collar and yanked him.
Nope. Not this face.
Mommy, this is for you.
Aw, you got me a flower.
How nice.
We just need like one.
No, you don't need one more.
Just more chaos
Nope.
right there. Say October. Say October.
October with the pumpkin. I'm not a giddy, I'm a
Aw.
pumpkin. I'm a pumpkin.
So sweet, Tabby.
Can I get out?
So we tried taking pictures, and that went crazy. The kids are a little cranky. I think we got some good ones. Mr. Finster, are you hungry? The ground is very treacherous. You staring at Nizzle? He got you. Lorelai, look at what's up on this hill. There's dandelions. Oh, Gideon's terrified of bees. Kid.
Look, there's one right there, kid.
Mr. Finster, Mr. Finster.
£6.
It's like a baby.
Almost.
6-pound honey.
Well, any of our children are. Ours are all monsters.
Are you a monster? Yeah, I'm not a monster.
Hey,
Hey, look.
want some honey sticks?
I want these kind.
They're so pretty.
Come here.
We will be like, what's wrong with me, mommy? Like last time.
What's the matter with me?
So funny.
Hey, Cedric, can I have some honey?
Oh no.
How do you think we had 4 children?
Yeah.
You have babies.
Doesn't make sense. They
You
just
wanna
keep
try this
they
one?
just keep happening. It just keeps happening, Phineas. I don't know why. Why do babies happen?
That blueberry stuff is pretty good.
Why does babies happen?
I don't even like blueberry.
Honey sticks. It's delicious. Tastes like root beer. Tastes like happiness. Finster. Did you have fun? Walking around in the wilderness?
Good. Get in first.
Smelling the smells? He's like, I want to eat that. Hi. Can't get it through the fabric,
Like,
can you?
This is so unfair.
There's some sort of force field. Oh, Finny was so hungry. You were a good boy. You were very patient. It's like, oh, sweet nectar of life. No pictures, please.
Take that off and whatever that is.
No date in October would be complete without I love you like a fat kid loves cake.